TGO is looking to replace electronic sensors with their soft, hypersensitive material. The many switches, joysticks, and buttons that enable humans to interact with electronic products all have the same limitation. They are uninspiring and difficult to use. They are also expensive and complicated to make, as they require thousands of complex sensors within each one. TGO is a platform technology replacing electronic sensor networks with one flexible conductive material to sense human touch. The resulting material produces three-dimensional controls that are ergonomic, intuitive, and engaging. No mechanism is needed underneath, and the material is uniformly molded, so no mechanism is housed within the material either. Instead, the electrical signal output is generated through touch, then transmitted to a microprocessor for analysis. Touch location is detected by using a unique 3D surfacing geometry to produce unique signal patterns. These signal patterns are then put through the company's machine learning software loaded on the processor. Because it can be molded out of one continuous material into a 3D shape rather than assemble parts, it is less expensive and simpler to manufacture. We envision powerful applications for this technology in automotive, consumer electronics, and various other markets. This technology truly shows an aesthetic language can become a useful technology itself.